Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. We are now going to go live trading binary option. So, if you see this as a recording, as always, then you might not be subscribed to the channel or you have not heard the bell notification on, so make sure you do that. Also below the video, you find a link to the broker that you see I'm using here now. So use that link below and also use the promo code so you get 200% on your first deposit. I will now start to prepare everything as always, so just bear with me while I do so. So let me just set up this one here so I can see the chat. See. Just setting up here now so you can see the chat. And there. Now we open it there. Let's set up this one here. Like that. Then let's just log in and get started. Just like that. Okay. Let's see if we have some pairs. I'm still working on the robots. They, um, I think, probably in a week or so, I should have ready. You can already sign up. You'll find below all my videos. So right away when it's ready, the name of the robot will be Alpha One Trader. Right now, say Alpha One iBot. Don't use that one. That's the old one. But when you sign up, it will automatically be in order for you. So you can sign up if you want to. So, but yes, I'm still working on it. I've had a little much going on now before Christmas, so there's certain things I need to have in order before then. So I've been quite busy, so that's why it has taken a little longer than I expected to get it up and running. So sorry for that. Now let's see if we can find some trades here. Let's see. Yeah, first trade in. We won the first trade of the day. $98. I'm a little careful with the next because I have a feeling he's pushing a little too much down here now, and see what happened. I did see him close at that low, so I think now this area might be more interesting. Let's move on to the next. We waited this one. Try to be a little efficient in this live session here now. Looks like we lost on this one. -100, okay. Let's see. See what happened. Okay, he did go lower. Then I think we skip this one for now. We do have a trend going upwards like this. Stay away from trend for now. Check this one. Trend downwards there. Something like that. Philip, are you trading manually, by the way, or are you only interested in robots? Let me know. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. I appreciate questions. Sadly, I don't have so much activities in my live sessions, so any question I get happy for that, because makes my time go a little faster when I do these live sessions. Because I'm actually live at 3 places. In Discord, on Academy. I should have been replying a little better question in Academy, I know. And of course here in YouTube. I had more activity before, but after I was demonetized by YouTube, because YouTube do not like this type of videos, especially not from my channel for some reason. So YouTube is not that good to give me the audience I should have had, because I have like 6,000 subscribers, and as you can see, I think I just a couple of people live in this session, so it's ridiculous. So my plan for next year is probably to move away from YouTube and take everything over on Discord. Then I need to make a plan there to bring the people over there and to invite people there, so I get the audience that I deserve to have. Oh yeah, sure. This for investment part there, I will only after when I have my robot in order, I will need to test it myself. Then I will do it on my channel, of course, and I will do it in a fair way. So I will run it at the same time I do my live sessions, like I did in the past. So then I can compare the two and things like this. So I will only know after a couple of weeks, because you can't judge a robot after a couple of days. You need to be running at least 1 week and see how it's doing. So, but I will going to do that all live when I have it in order, because I can't promise the robot will be amazing the first try when I get it up and running. But because I will just turn it on like this, I'm not going to test it myself first. I will test it in front of you all. Maybe it will be terrible, maybe it will be perfect right away, we don't know. So, but all I will do on my channel. That's how I do everything I do. I don't, yeah, I don't wait for thing. I just put it up, let people see right away if it's good or not. If it's not, okay, then I will tweak it a little more. So let's see. I try to be as open as possible. That's why, for example, yesterday I had a terrible day trading. Still, I make a video about it. I don't try to hide a terrible day just to look like I only win, because it's not the reality. And I don't think it's fair also, if you are into binary option, these type of things, you need to show that you can have a terrible day. And I personally, I had the worst day trading yesterday. And I think it's important that people can see that it is not like dancing on roses that many YouTubers, big YouTubers, that YouTube love for some strange reasons, that are just putting up these videos where they can turn $5 to 10,000 in 1 hour or something crazy. So I think it's important is that you show that it's not like that. Of course, I have done good, but through the good, I had much bad also. So it's important this. Like I built this for $100. I did that, but it's not over a few hours. It's done over almost 2 years. So much hard work is involved with it. And like yesterday, you will have some bad days. It's normal. So it's things that is. I think I try to, and that you're tired. I wake up early morning to take these live sessions because it's time only time I have in the day to do live sessions like this is from mornings. I wake up 6 in the morning to do this type of live session and drinking a lot of coffee and everything to get this up. So this is the true, I'll say, about trading. That you can see here now how terrible I did yesterday. So yeah, look this. So this is the reality. I lost like $1,000 yesterday. So it's this is what I try to show that you can be trading for years, but it's not that you win all the time because you have been traded much. You will have bad days, and it's how you deal with your bad days that you don't give up. You know, that you stick with the strategy. You don't start to double up and things like this. So this is things I feel have always been more important for me on my channel to show the truth, to not be hiding behind editing videos and just post the bullshit where you have maybe a account manager that is sitting and deleting your trades or whatever they do, I don't know. But the reality is not like many YouTubers put it to be. That's why I do live, so people can actually see what I'm doing, where I don't have the capability to edit videos and all this bullshit. So that's at least how I like to do things. But for, like I said, for a strange reason, me that actually try to do things correctly, I don't get the views. But the ones that are playing around with the editor software, they get the views. So that's why it annoys me. That's why I am thinking about moving away from YouTube, because it annoys me a little actually. So, but yeah, enough for that. I will not complain more. I probably will make a coffee soon, but that will be later. Now I'm thinking about a trade up here, by the way, because we do have a quite good area around there. That would be nice to get up there again. Let's see. I would like to there. Oh, let's see. No, I can make a coffee all the way this trade. Just bear with me, I'm still making coffee. Okay, well, let's see. That was not the best trade in the world. Let's see here now. Might still have an area up there. There. Let's see how that will play out. There I got my coffee. There, got also a win there. Let's see. Okay, so we have 2 wins, 2 losers today. Okay, that means we are in 0, actually a little plus, because as we get this cash back. Okay. Let's see. So now let's see how this looks like. We have the old trend going downwards. We are testing up in this region there. Looks like now we will test in the bottom. It's always good to keep our old trend line, because that will also work as a support. So area that will be nice now, I would say around there. Let's see. Around there will be quite nice area. You have this old trend line will act as support. This will be a good support. That's what I see. By the way, the ones that are live here now, let me know. Are you only doing trading, or are you into crypto? Let me know. Are you investing in any crypto, things like this? Are you mining crypto? Are you into affiliate? Because I do everything. And like I said before in my live videos, is that if you're going to think about working full time with something like this, it's always good to do more things, that you then can allow yourself to have a bad day trading by doing many other things. Average win rate is basically around 7 trades for each 10 I win. So even though I can have a bad day trading, overall through years of trading, I make money, of course. But the thing is, when you do have your bills and things that you need to pay, when you have more things going on, you can still make money if you are doing a bad day like this, and that's important. So that's why I'm always telling that you should put in more type of things that you can do through your day. Right? We lost this one, by the way. I was not expecting that. That means we are minus $100 right now. Okay. Now this one should turn into resistance. So let's go up again. Let's see. There. That should be a winner. So yeah, I do everything. And I'm now, of course, it's a good time for crypto. I'm even building up a cell phone farm here now. There, on that one. Beautiful. Then we are in 0 again. Even CryptoTab brochure is working right now if you do it the correct way. You have many, there are also YouTubers making that you can't withdraw money. they have no clue. The problem is that people don't know how things work. and they just make a video because it's not working for them because they don't investigate. So for example, how is CryptoTab brochure, for example, let's say you make $5 with them, right? How are they going to withdraw your $5 if it costs them $20 to send it for you? Makes no sense, right? So everything is about how you do things correctly. And that's something I also show in my channel right now. But then of course they make a video about it, like scam and things, you know. So I get always so annoyed when I see this. You find also in binary option. If you go to review section for most brokers, you'll find bad reviews because people don't have clue. They try to do things that you're not supposed to do. For example, if you sign up with this broker here now, you will get a 200% bonus, right? So let's say you deposit $100, right? And you get 200 less, you have then let's $300 in your account, right? Then you trade a little, you lose $100. That means you have your $200 bonus in your account, and you try to withdraw $200. It's not your money to withdraw. The $200 is just there for you to have more money available to make profit. So if you then have lost your $100, then you can't withdraw. But if you then build back up this 100 again, then you can withdraw this 100 again. Understand? But you can't withdraw the initial $200. You can't withdraw this money. Understand? But this is what some people think, that they think they can even withdraw the money they have in bonus. Bonus is not there for withdraw. That's there for you to make, so you have more like a capital that you can use to make money with. So there are always things like this that make bad reviews. People from some brokers where you need to verify yourself. You say you are from United States, but you are from India, for example. Then, as you're lying from where you are from, how are they going to pay you if they need to verify you, right? Or yeah, there's so many things. There's so many things. So as long as you just do things correctly, you don't have problems. You just like was one back that had found a way to trick the system so he could get many wins. He did take like 1,000 of trades each minute. That was flooding the system, so he won a lot of trades, and then he thought he could withdraw. And then he got super angry because he could not yet withdraw because he made like a few 100,000. Of course, if you're cheating, you can't withdraw. So that's how it is. So it's things that you need to think about. Follow the rules, and everything will be okay. You know. Let's continue. But yeah, if someone wants to keep me company in the chat, I appreciate it. Really. Because the time goes faster for me. So I don't need to be sitting here talking by myself. And any question, like that, I appreciate it a lot. No question is too stupid. Coming into a squeeze here now. He will break in either direction, so we're not touching this one right now. There also be much trend going on today. We have one going like this. Let's see, something like that. We can put it right there. Because we have the one up here, we still have some time left here to go in. Let's see. Let's see. We still have some, I think maybe 1-2 more minutes here, we can take a trade up here if we choose to go up there again. That is. Right now, no one is in Discord. If you want to enjoy a little better quality and everything, and zero lag, you find link pinned in the chat. It's a Discord where I'm going to build up next year. So there, Maverick is in Discord, I see. Welcome, Maverick. I'm looking down here. Okay, he'll close it, but I think we can just move on. They start to be interesting for me. I'm looking up here. Let's see. Oh, delay like a crazy. But that's it. Might go okay. How is your trading going lately? You have not been so active in the chat in YouTube, so I've not been able to talk so much with you lately. Are you doing good? Martingale, my option there, Leslie, do not use Martingale. Martingale is something that basically will blow your account, and yeah. So Martingale, yes, stay away from that. Let's see now. We lost this, for example. If I do Martingale here now, then that will be 200 here. You end up blowing your account. So you will not see me doing any Martingale on my channel. Never Martingale. I will give you a story there. I've told this story many times, but I have been trading live now for 1 year, 9 months. Soon 1 year, 10 months. Martingale for Forex and binary option can go under the boat, the same. I was trading dollar against Japanese yen. That is a few years back. I don't remember exactly. I think two years back, yeah. I started to take a trade with dollar against Japanese yen. I was in with a short. And what happened is that it started to come close to my stop loss. So what I did, I really believed that the place where they put my stop loss, that he would not break it. So he started to go up. I can actually go back to it, which are trading view. See if I can find this area. Let's see. I can show exactly where I was. That was for a strange reason, it's very slow here now. Was this pair? Let's see on super chart. Let's take it to the how slow it is. There it is. Let's take it to the day. Let's remove. Let's go back. Let's take remove this one, and this one is better. Let's take this out. I think it was here. So what happened is that I had a trade. I think it was here. I had a short trade here. and I did go into money, but my take profit was maybe done here, and I stop loss more up around here. Then it started to go, and it put in more, and you can see I just got more fucked. And here was the funny thing is, my trade was lost all the way up here. Then I chose to go out. I lost basically 85 or maybe 90% of all my money. And trust me, this was a big loss because I had recently then moved over $100,000 that I taken from binary option and thrown it into Forex, and I lost almost all that money because of a martingale trade I did here. And then the fun thing after, of course, he did go more up, and I felt like, oh, I did the correct thing. But then after, if I had maybe, probably I would have blown my account, by the way. But if for some reason I had stayed in, maybe I could have got all my money back, right? But the thing is, martingale is like this. And this is also for binary option. The difference is this was suffering over a lot of days. Big suffering. With binary option, of course, you don't get the suffering. There, basically, you can blow your account in minutes. Yeah, in minutes. So, martingale, no, stick with a strategy. I mean myself. Yes, you can see I've had a little bad trading right now, but stick with a strategy. You can see I stick it with a strategy. I started myself with $100. Of course, I am not this YouTuber that build account from 5 minutes to 1 hour to 100,000 like you can see they do. This is, for me, is done over almost 2 years. But if you stick to a strategy, you can manage. So no, martingale, if someone teach you to trade martingale, stay away from that, because yes, you can be making crazy money for a couple of months, and month number 3 you can lose every work you have done in the past, and even what you have deposited at it also. So no, can look super good for a couple of days, but don't do it. That's my view on it, at least. Welcome to South Africa, nice to see you. I had a lot of people from South Africa in the past. Are you new to binary option? Do you say hodé or you say rodé? Come on, give me a winner now. Now he's breaking. No, he's was breaking much down there now. So you see, I had a bad day yesterday, and it's going not so fine today either. But the spirit is up. I think must be the Christmas time. I remember was another time was around Christmas. Its market is crazy. Typically, at Christmas time is time you should just relax, not be trading. Market. I see crypto also. Everything move crazy. It's ridiculous time to trade. But it's not only about the winning part, it's about the educational part also. So probably not copy me so much now in the Christmas time, because it's not a good time to be trading, just so aware of that. So just be aware that this time of the year it's not easy to trade, but we will still do it. us that stick in, we in the end will make money, but there will be some trades that looks a little strange, because the market is crazy now. Just so you all are aware of that. I'm never going to sugarcoat that it's easy to trade, because it's not. If you want sugar coding about how easy it is, then you should see channels like BLW or something like this, then or other bigger YouTubers that magically win a lot of trades. And the fun thing, they are popular. Now let's see. I'm looking this area down here. I think I stick away from this. Okay. This should now start to work as let me see, I think I want it up more like there. That could be a good one. Let's see if you can get up there again. Now that is. This is what I call a super trade, when you have the trend line and you have the resistant line in a cross. That is where dreams are made. Let's see. So if you can go up there now, would be quite nice. Trading plan. Trading plan is very simple actually when it comes to, for example, if I trade myself, don't count my live session like that, but if I trade by, like for example, now I have 2 losses, right? If I get 3 losses in a row, however I do, I stop, okay? Because then this is something that can do so you make mistakes later on while you're trading. So better just stop them. The next day when you're trading, however, if you've done super good the day before or done terrible, forget about it. Don't build on what you have done the day before. Because if you go with the spirit of the good day before, you can do mistakes also actually. Yes, you can. So also, another thing, always stick to the plan. A plan is that you don't need to trade the way I trade. I trade support, resistance, trend lines, right? But stick with something that you see is making money constantly. Like for example, my way of trading, I do win 7 out of 10 trades. Not from day to day, but from month to month, I win that. So stick to the plan, make yourself a plan, even write down on a piece of paper your rules. You don't need to follow the rules. I said make some rules for yourself. If you make yourself a trading plan, put it on a piece of paper in front of you. Do this, and you follow this by yourself. If you do so, you will see results that is positive over a period of time. And also, when come to, for example, many people are dreaming about to do what I'm doing, work full time with this, to do this full time. If you're going to do that, don't do it right away. Keep your 9-to-5 job or 9-to-4 job or whatever you want to call it. Wake up 1 hour earlier. So if you wake up, for example, 8 in the morning to prepare yourself to go work, then wake up 7, trade this 1 hour, and then go to work. And if you think that is hard, trust me, it's harder if you quit your job. Because then when you come to, for example, you plan that when you come to Friday and you have a bill you need to pay, and you know that if you had worked, you will have no problem to pay this bill, that will push a lot of pressure on you. And if you then lose, for example, Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, and Wednesday maybe you make back a little of your losses from Monday and Tuesday. if you have go with that mentality and you know that you need to pay a bill in Friday, then you have so much pressure, and then you start to do mistakes, you start to do martingale, and you blow your account, and then what you do? So keep your 9 to 5 jobs till you have at least so much buffer. But also, I always say, don't rely on one thing. You need to have more things. Like, for example, I can tell you everything I do. I do affiliate, and with affiliate, I do marketing directly. I have websites, I have newsletter, I have cryptocurrency. I even mine with cell phones. I mine at CryptoTab brochure. I have forex robots. I'm building binary option robots. I have crypto robots. I make YouTube videos. I don't make so much from that, but at least I make it. I do so many things. So if one thing is not making money for me one day, another things are making it. So that's the point. So a plan is not only for the trading, it's a plan for, you can say, for life. That you make as many things, and you don't need to be successful with everything in the start. Some of things, of course, when you start from scratch, takes a little while. And if someone want me to make a video about everything I'm doing, how you can build up a business where you can work from home, that you from scratch for everything you can do, so you can basically have a relaxing life. I work only a few hours a day, and I can work from wherever I want. Like, I'm a Norwegian, but I live in Brazil. If I was living in Brazil without the options I have today, I could not live here because salaries here are low and my Portuguese is not that good. So I would not be able to take a job here that I will get a good salary so I could live here. So this is things that makes so you can live wherever you want in the world, and does not matter. I could live in China, I could live in India, or maybe not China because they're so restricted with the internet. But most of the places you can live without no problem, no? So if someone want that, I can show from scratch how you can build up newsletter, for example, how you can do affiliate marketing, how to be profitable. I'm making now little videos with CryptoTab, because yes, it is actually possible to make even money with a silly thing as CryptoTab brochure. So this is important. No, Forex is in the Christmas time. Forex is very difficult time to trade. Basically, Christmas is a time you should not trade that much, to be quite frankly with you. January also, start of the year is difficult. The most easy time to trade Forex in the middle of the year, to be quite frankly. So, but if you go to trade, going very slow because the market can go very crazy. Christmas and the start of the year is the most difficult time to trade Forex, to be quite frankly with you. Like I said, in my channel, I'm not trying to sugarcoat anything. I'm not trying to make it to be easy. So just be aware of that. You're so welcome. You're so welcome. I feel it's enough of YouTubers that try to make things that is so easy and things, but it's not. I'm not into this type of things. I rather, like for example, when I'm trading, even like now, for example, I'm a little down right now, but even when I'm making a lot of money, because I do make a lot of money while I'm trading, I don't tell people to go in and put in money. I'd rather tell people to go in with demo money and test it first. Because I know this is not easy, and I hate to see people losing money. So I always say start with demo account first. And also, if you do demo account, when you go in with real, start with very low. So for example, on this broker, you have the option to do cents, trade in cents. I'd rather do that in the start, just so you get a feel of trading with real money. So just be careful. Forex and binary option is really, it's not easy, and it will take you a long time for you to have a control of it. And even when you see me, I've trading for years, and I can have a losing days. It's perfectly normal, but it's like I said before, it's how you deal with your losing days. That is what will make you to be a good trader or not. I hope that was okay reply for you. Maybe not what you wanted to hear, but that's a reality. Well, let's see. We are looking for a sell up here. I think I'll put fixed off so the trade will be a little shorter. If we can get up there now, we'll take a sell. Let's see. Okay. I was hoping we could get one around here. I was a little slow. I did not take a trade here. It would be an amazing trade. Because like I said, the best place you can trade when you have a trend line going downwards and you can have yourself a resistant line, then you have two things pushing it down. It's always the place like this is what I call a super trade. Well, let's see. It's not that good here now, but let's see. If we can get up there very soon. If not, I think we'll move on. I think we move on now. Start a bit too far down. Let's see. Okay, we do have ourselves a support line here. Let's see. Around there. We are in. Whoa, 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 whoa. What was that? Okay, it's in the correct way now, but this looks a little strange. Okay, we're deep in the money, but I don't know what to think after this move down there. I'm confused. Probably he go down, yeah. Looks like it. Whoosh. So you see, I'm continuing my losing streak from yesterday, looks like. Or do I? This one I will give it a 50% win rate now. The way it's moving very strangely. No, they're going to lose it. No, see here. I will even close this one. It's moving too crazy. So you see, it's very strange the market right now. We are down today also. To be quite frankly, I have made more money with the binary option. That is true. Forex, I have done good there also. Like I explained it before today now, I had a big loss trade there a couple of years ago. But all over, I'm making money both places. I do have Forex robots that is trading for me. Currently, I'm not trading so much Forex myself right now. I have more robots trading for me there right now. Yes, I make more money with the binary option right now. I'll say that. I do trade on 3 accounts. This one I only use for live. So like there were 75,000 here yesterday, just so you know. So you see 74 something now. So you see for this week I'm down, but like I said, this one is traded live 1 hour a day, Monday to Friday, for 1 year, almost 10 months, and I started with $100. So, but yeah, binary option is faster to make money, but also you lose money faster also if you have a bad day, of course. So just be aware of that. But yeah, binary option, of course, many will tell you it's a quick money way to make money, but it's also a fast way to lose money. So that is something that you need to be aware of. That's why I'm telling that you need to take your time. So you keep the plan that you, like you see now, for example, me, I'm down today, I was down yesterday. And here's the funny thing, over the scale of 1 year and 10 months, I have only 21 losing days. And now I had a big loss yesterday, and I'm in minus today. So this is not normal, but the market is crazy in the Christmas time. I did not trade actually so much last year in this time. So actually I was like 1 hour a day then also. Yeah, I was actually last year. I did trade all Christmas last year. I did not do bad last Christmas, but typically in Christmas time is a terrible time to trade. So just be aware of that. But if you manage to be profitable in Christmas time, then you will do good. So yeah. But yes, I enjoy more, of course, when I'm winning, but also I think it's also good to show that new traders, because there are many that come in. If they come in, for example, in the middle of a live session I do there where I'm making a lot of money, it's also scary. I will actually say it's more scary for me when I have a good session, because I have a lot of them, of course. And if, let's say, for example, some of you now come for the first time into my channel where I'm winning, in some way that is maybe worse than you come in now. Because when you come into a live session where I'm printing money, basically, like I do many times, most of the time actually, then you come in and you think it's so easy, you throw in maybe more money than you have, more money you are afford to lose, and you lose everything, and you wonder why. And it's because then you come into a YouTuber where it's showing you that it looks so easy, and you think, wow, how I not thought about this, how I could have not thought about trading binary option, and you lose everything. So in some way it's actually good I'm losing a little now, so you all can see that you need really to be balanced in your life. You need to be take your time to put in a good strategy before you start trading. Okay, so in some ways actually good I'm not doing so good now, because you need to see that it's not so easy. But if you get the skills, of course, yes, it is. You can make money with this, of course, but good to have the warnings also. Like I said, I'm in my channel. I will never tell that anything is easy, because it's not. Now let's see. We are looking for a probability of a sell up here. I can make it easier for people to understand. We can make it red for the red color scheme here now. We have a trend line up. We will get a squeeze, but probably not yet. So our plan is to take a sell trade up here. I think at least for the next few minutes we can go in. Now let's see. We do have, let's see here now. If we take a line around there, we see that we can go in with a green line there. Let's make it green. I will take a buy trade here also, so we have a trading zone here now. This will be a nice area also to go in. I will take a 15-second trade here. Let's see. And there we are in. Perfect. In there. Now we just need to wait 10 seconds. You see? Of course, we are in the OTC, so maybe that's the reason. Yeah. This was typically, this is what we call a perfect trade, because we have the trend line, we have the support, and he broke it. But of course, we are in the OTC market, so maybe I am the higher bidder on OTC, because there are a big difference between OTC and normal. and as I am in with $100, that might be the reason. So we are doing shit, but it's okay. It's better I lose the money than you do. So now let's see here now. Looking around here. Let's see. There we are in. And once again, it's starting to lose a little. You see, you get a little down when you lose. That's why I'm telling you that. Like for example, I'm live now, so I can't do that. But when you lost 3 in a row, you probably should not trade more, because you get a little down, you know. So like me, for example, had a bad day yesterday, and you can see that I'm not doing that good today. But you can see I have the spirit up. Even though this is real money for me, the thing is that you know that through the years you make money, but of course it's hard to see that you lose $100 there, $100 there. So no, let's hope I'll get a win here now. Yay! We got some money here now, 78. Good, something go good here now. So we now are fixing a little. Let's see. I think now I would prefer one up there, around this region. Let's see. Thankfully we don't have any trend lines, no nothing. I hate trend lines. So I love sideways market, we can say like that. So up here will be nice now if you get up there again. Let's see. Basically, looks like I'm done for the day also. We have been trading 1 hour. Then let me see who have been here with me today. Revalji, thank you so much for keeping me company in this live session. Jode, if I say your name correctly. Umar, Leslie, Eternal, Philip. Thank you all for keeping me company in this live session. I really appreciate it. Makes my day to be just talking to myself. It's very boring, but and thank you for that, Jode. I'm not sure if it's Jode or Rode. You can tell me about that later. If you come in tomorrow, I trade every single day, Monday to Friday, at the same time. So just tune in tomorrow if you want to be a part of my live session tomorrow. Let's hopefully we'll make some money at to go up tomorrow. I have had a bad week till now, but tomorrow I will do my best so we start to turn some profit again, because this is not normal. Typically a grow account is not supposed to lose account. So yeah, tune in tomorrow, and also make sure you sign up with the broker. You find a link pinned in the chat. Start with a demo account, see if you can make some money first with demo, and if you can do that, go in with real, but then be careful. Maybe start with cents or something in the start, so you don't go into crazy. And you also define a promo code that give you 200%. That is good to have a little small buffer so you can be trading with.